Hunters. Hey, join the party. How you doing? So today we're going to make a hunting sign. I have a lot of friends that are involved in hunting.
Yeah.
So we decided to, I guess, make them a sign. They don't know that yet, but they will soon. So why don't you tell them what we went and got?
So we went and got some stencils.
I can't really see that. Let's go. There you go.
And some paint, and we're gonna use some vinyl and the stencils to make this sign.
Absolutely. So roll the clip so they can see exactly our shopping adventure from where we went to Walmart. So check it out. Okay, so now since you guys have seen what all we got at the store from Wally World, now we're gonna put it together on a board that we made just the other night because it takes time for the stain to do. We didn't decide to do a video of it. If you guys want to see how we made this board in the future, just comment below and we'll do a video on how we made it. Okay, so we're gonna make a sign with these deer here. We're gonna have a girl deer and a guy deer. So how we're gonna get this to stay on here so the paint does not seep through and actually stays in the outline here is we're gonna use this special adhesive spray. They also recommend using basting spray, but I didn't want to spend $10 for a can about this size where I can buy something that does just as good for $3.95 or something like that. So we're gonna test this out. It says just to spray the back side of this and let it dry a little bit before you stick it on the board. I'll let it dry. Okay, so we're gonna do the buck down here first. This guy right here, so we're gonna stick him down. Okay, now we're gonna use some, excuse me, some metallic color to make him stand out a little bit different than the doe here. This is khaki. Mix that up in here. We've already poured it in here. Well, it's not making that much of a difference, but we'll see what it does whenever we almost looks like it could be caramel ice cream or something, but we're not gonna eat this. Don't worry. Now we're going to use the medium-sized one because he has a rather big-sized body here. I don't want to be sponging all night long with the small guy. And the big guy has a little bit more, well, we'll make more of a mess with that, so let's go on over here. Let's go ahead and dab a little bit of paint here. We're going to start dabbing at him here. Guess I need more paint. A little bit bigger than I anticipated. That's okay. Most hunters want the big guys. More reward for them. To be honest, I don't hunt. I just thought this would be a cool little gift idea for maybe a lucky subscriber. I think we'll give this away to a subscriber. What do you think?
Yeah, that would be fun.
So if you guys would like to win this sign, comment below on why you want it and where you're gonna put it. We're gonna pick a lucky subscriber. So you guys can take this thing and put it maybe down in your man cave or something. Alright, so once it's all down in there, let's make sure we got everything taken up here. Since this is not basting spray, this is a different adhesive. It says temporary, but you only want to be on there for a few minutes, otherwise it's going to be stuck there. So we're going to go ahead and pull it off so we can move it over to the other side and start doing the dough. So we'll see what this turns out to be. Oh, I missed a spot. Maybe I should check my work twice. Make sure those legs come up good. Alright. Go ahead and peel this off. Yeah, that turned out pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah, I really did.
Good job. Alright, we're gonna go and spray it again because it seems to have come up a little bit on the dough side. Wave it around. Checker flags waving for Driven Sisters! Just kidding. It's just a stencil. We're gonna put her right on up here. Just like that. Stick her on there. Use just the khaki one here. Just a khaki color for her. Just gonna dab her out. That's a lot of paint there. That's alright. Alright, she's all ready to go here. Oops, I went over the top. Alright, so we're gonna let her dry a little bit here. Once this looks like she's looking pretty good all over the place, we're gonna peel it up here in just a minute. Okay. Go ahead and peel her up. There we go. There's one spot I'm gonna fix here shortly, but other than that, the stencil worked out pretty good, and the idea of the spray adhesive actually works pretty well. I've had stencils where it bleeds all the way through and you can't tell what it is. So we're gonna take this and go wash it off. We're gonna let this dry for a minute, and then we're gonna go make some vinyl. Okay, so we got our vinyl made up. We cut it all out. And now we're gonna mask it with masking tape. It's actually transfer tape. And then we're gonna cut it in half so we can put Gone Hunting on it. Whoops. Stick this on here like this. Smooth it out here. Okay, so it's all nice and smooth on there. Just cut in half. Alright, so we got hunting down here. Just gonna cut off this in here, makes it easier for me to transfer it. Okay, I think we're just gonna put it. What are you thinking? That right there look about right?
Yeah, that's good.
So we do it straight across, right angle it.
I think straight would be fine. Or no, like that. I like that.
You like that way?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, it's being stubborn. So we said angle?
Mhm. Yep.
Like that looks good?
Yep.
That one sit there for a minute. And take the hunting off. Alright, so we got hunting off of there now finally. I'm gonna stick it on there a little horizontal too. Alright, let's peel it off. And there it is. Gone hunting with 2 deer. You can hang it up on the wall, hang it up in a man cave, or even out at your cabin when you go hunting. So if you like one, or you want to try to win this one, comment below why you want it and where you're going to put it, and we'll pick one lucky person to be able to receive this. If you'd like to purchase one of these, we will be selling these soon on our Driven KC Facebook page is where we'll have these posted for sale. So if you're interested, go and check out our Facebook page and let us know if you like one.